Hey everybody, it's your girl Bridget. I am back with another video, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about Naca, NACA.com, which stands for the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America, which is a nonprofit organization that helps individuals and family members become homeowners. So if you or someone desires home ownership, Naca could be the program for you. So let's get into it. Now first, I did do a video in regards to Naca. It was over a year ago that I did that video. If you want to see it, I put the link down below. But this video today is giving you new updates in regards to Naca and what it takes as far as you as an individual, someone who is seeking home ownership, to go through the program and become a homeowner. So first things first is, let me tell you all the good things. Naca, there is no credit requirements with Naca. There is no mortgage insurance with Naca, and then there is also no down payment with Naca. So those are three good things right off the bat that Naca provides that you do not have to worry about, getting right your credit, or there's no mortgage insurance. Those of you that don't know what the mortgage insurance is, when you get a traditional loan and you go through that process, you have to get insurance. There is no insurance that is added on top of your mortgage, so which intentionally leaves your mortgage to be a low rate, a low monthly payment in order for you to make your payments. So there's no added fees on top of that increases your mortgage with that mortgage insurance. And then also there is no down payment. So with a traditional loan, unless you're going through a traditional loan, but then you're going through some type of program that the lender may have where it requires zero down, Naca also has a zero down policy. So you do not have to put down any down payment with Naca. And so also with Naca, today's current interest rate with Naca is the 5.625%, which Naca will always be below market rate. So that is good. And as of today, the interest rate is 5.625%. And if you were to get a 15-year fixed loan, then your interest rate would be 5%. If you are doing a 20-year loan, your interest rate is going to be, 5.125%. So keep those in mind. The smaller amount of years that you have your loan, that you want to have your loan for, the interest rate also goes down. But in general, Naca has the lowest interest rate compared to market value interest rates. So with that being said, if your guy's been holding off because of interest rate, you're trying to see where it's going to go, what it's going to do, just keep in mind that Naca does have low rates for you. And also with Naca, you must be 12 months current on your current rent. So wherever you're living, if you're paying monthly rent, they want to see 12 consecutive straight months of you paying that rent on time with no issues. If for some reason you have missed a month and it became a late payment, or you missed a month and the landlord allowed you to pay, next month with November's rent, or if it was in October with the next month's rent, let's say it was October, you missed October, and your landlord is like, okay, you can either pay it late. They gave you that option if you just could not make that payment at all that month, and you was like, well, I'm just gonna have to do a double payment in November. That's totally fine, but the only thing is Naca will require 12 months straight. So if you paid that in November, starting from November, count out 12 months from there, and then you could go through the Naca process to get approved. But just remember, you cannot have any missed or late payments to get approved with Naca. They want to see 12 months straight of payments. They want to make sure that you can pay your rent on time with no issues in order for you to get approved. And so, as I said before, Naca is a nonprofit organization. I mentioned to you that their interest rates are below market value. And Naca is pretty much in every state. If you have not heard of Naca, NACA.com, go ahead and Google it. Find it in your state. See if it is in your state, which it should be. It's pretty much in every state that I know of. But go ahead and do a Google search on it. So wherever you may live, if this may be something you're interested in trying, then go ahead, search it up, do your search, and go through the program. Now they do require you for your first time, you have to go down. You have to take this class. It's like an 8-hour class. You do that one day, and after that, they will set you up with a counselor. that counselor will be with you throughout the whole process of you getting approved for your loan. That counselor will be the one you turn all your documents into. That counselor is going to basically be your guide, your go-to person throughout the whole process. So with that being said, make sure all your documents are accurate and that you have everything that counselor is asking you for, and turn it in a timely manner. Because if you don't, then of course things will get delayed, and you know, it's just going to put you further out and further away from being closer to home ownership. So I've heard people say that they didn't like Naca because of this or because of that. It's because they didn't have their stuff together. So it really is a simple process. Just make sure all your paperwork is in order. You have the right paperwork, and just turn it in when they ask you for it. And you should have no issues, you know, getting through the process with Naca. Some like it, some don't. But if you may think this is something for you, if you don't want to go the traditional route with getting a home with a loan, then try out Naca. Like I said, it is a little bit of a process, but you know, within a year, I want to see you being homeowners in 2025. So also, I'm looking down here because I have some notes to make sure I tell you everything that I need you to know about Naca before you get started. So also, they don't want your DTI to be over 30%. DTI is your debt to income ratio. And so if you need help with DTI, call up a local lender. Ask them questions about how to do it, or you can even Google it if you have family or friends that is savvy in, you know, the real estate world or the lending world, you know, that knows numbers. Or you could just Google it yourself to see how to calculate your debt to income ratio, which is basically how much money you're bringing in versus how much money is going out. And so they want to see that that is less than 30%. Okay. And so other than that, I gave you the interest rates. I did want to tell you that Naca does approve homes up to $726,525 for a single family home. So, meaning if you and your family, or just you, if it's just you, you want to go purchase a home, and you're looking, let's say $400,000, $500,000, or the home you want is $600,000, as long as your income can support that monthly payment, NACA will approve it, and they will approve it all the way up to $726,000. So if you can afford a $726,000 home, go for it. You know, but a lot of people, they don't even want, you know, to be in that price range because the monthly payments will be a little higher than what they're wanting. So, you know, they try to keep it down on the lower end, 400,000, 300,000 even. You know, there are homes out there that you can get in those price range that are good homes, and even some new constructions. And with that being said, NACA does help you purchase new construction homes. So if you don't want a pre-used home, then yes, you could get a new construction home with NACA. And again, that limit is up to $726,000. So if you and your family have been looking and y'all have just been afraid to take the jump, or don't know, you know, steps into the process of getting a home ownership, go ahead, reach out to NACA. NACA does have in-house realtors. If you want to use them, or if you know a realtor or have a realtor already that you may have worked with in the past, or a friend or family member, whoever that is, you know, a realtor, go ahead and reach out to them. Let them know what you're doing, and then, you know, just get everything, all your ducks in a row. Now, if you're going to use a realtor outside of NACA's agents, you must let NACA know that you have an outside agent that you want to use, and then that agent, your realtor, of course, will have to contact NACA and, you know, put their information in their file, in their system, and then go from there. But if you don't have a realtor, you don't know anybody, then yes, NACA does have agents that will help you once you get your loan approved, that they can help you with going out and finding a home. Now, if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you don't have an agent and you don't want to use NACA's agents, you can go ahead and reach out to me. My information will be listed down below. I am here in Dallas-Fort Worth area. I can help you anywhere in the Metroplex. So you can give me a call at 682-395-7123, or you can email me at bridgetmrealtor@gmail.com. Again, I will put all that down in the description link below, so you guys can reach out to me if you have questions, even if you just have questions, or you're curious about this or curious about that, or you just want to say thank you for the information. Go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys as soon as I can. So, but thank you guys for watching. Again, this is about NACA. I did do a video previously on it. I will go ahead and post that link down below as well. Like I said, it was over a year ago since I did that video, and this one is more of an update, touch base with NACA. But if you have questions, guys, just let me know. I'm here to help. Have a good one. See you in the next one.